Hello.
Hello.
You know how to make up?
Yeah, of course.
I feel nervous. I never like this, yeah. You like painting? Halo teman-teman, ketemu lagi bersama aku Watie. Di video kali ini aku mau ngajak si Akang ya. Aku mau suruh dia make upin aku, tapi aku nggak ngasih tahu apa-apanya. Ya sebisa dia. Karena kalau kita mau bepergian, Kang tuh suka komplain katanya nunggunya lama, make upnya lama. Padahal aku kan nggak pakai apa-apa, tapi take forever katanya, lama banget gitu. Oke teman-teman, ikutin ya keseruan kita. Husband does make up. Stay tune. Jadi ini alat-alat make upku seadanya ya teman-teman, karena aku emang nggak bisa make up. Jadi nggak tahu Kang tahu apa enggak. Jadi aku cuma ngasih ini aja di meja, terus dia yang make upin aku tanpa aku kasih tahu. Oke, kita lihat keseruannya ya teman-teman. Stay tune. Hello.
Hello.
You know how to make up?
Yeah, of course.
I feel nervous. I never like this, yeah.
Ow!
Oke. Oke, jadi kita mulai ya. Kang mau make upin aku.
Why are you wearing your nice jacket and your nice jewelry? What's going on? You going out?
Ya. Oke.
Okay, what do we have?
What is that? You know what is that?
Salam. You only have one of these. I only have one color to choose from?
No, the powder is only one cup.
Well, I'm looking. I want to see what there is.
Lagi ngecek satu-satu ya. Kayak
Yeah,
yang
what is
tahu
this?
aja. Really nice, so rude. What is that?
This is your nose.
What?
Huh?
What is that?
Foundation. What do you think it is? This is what makes your face white. This is what makes your skin white.
No.
I like this.
How could you do that?
I'm just putting it on gently.
Why your hand smell like eucalyptus? Aduh, kok banyak banget? So much.
Well, that's because you're so.
Oh my god, nanti jadi badut dah.
I have to hide your nose. It's so big.
I cannot see in the mirror.
No. That's why the camera faces this way, so you can't see. Always, you're looking at your camera. Always.
I know. Oh my god. I look like clown.
Well, you're a pretty clown.
Don't too much.
Well, I'm trying to get it off my fingers. Don't tell me I'm in charge today.
No, but oh my god. I don't trust you. Oh, what is that?
This is your nose.
Tadi dia udah pakai ini foundation bener. Sekarang pakaiin bedak. bener juga. Can I see in the mirror?
No.
Sekarang udah pakai ini.
What's color?
You said this one like grandma, yeah? You don't like this color. Actually, mom choose for me.
They're all the same.
Yeah.
Why do we spend so much money on these if they're all the same?
No, not same, different.
They're all the same.
Yeah, the two of them.
3 of them.
But no. Apa make upnya? Dia tuh kagak pernah lihat cewek make up kali ya. That is Indonesian product Warga. Apa itu? Too small.
Go away, lah.
You like painting? Oh my god.
Look at me, not them.
You have to see the camera. The
No,
way
they
you.
can see you at the end.
Oh my god. Can I see the mirror for a while?
No. What do you want to see the mirror for?
I just want to see. What is that?
Okay, what are you doing?
Huh?
Look up. Look up. Look up.
Hey, look!
Don't. What are you doing? Look up.
What is
It's
that?
eyeliner
Eyeliner? Yeah, but what are you gonna use?
on your eye. Look up. Don't move. This is next to your eye. Don't be silly.
I don't.
Don't move, yeah?
You make me clown, you not make me pretty.
Close your eye.
You not make me pretty.
This isn't my job. Okay, look down. This one's no good. You're moving too much. Close your eyes.
What you gonna do with my face?
Close your eyes.
Don't put too much.
Okay, almost finished.
Why almost finished?
Because you're annoying me. Close your lips.
You didn't put this one.
Baby, close your lips.
Why you go down?
Which one's for your eye?
Huh?
Which one's for your eyebrows?
Why are you asking?
Is this one for your eyes? I should get that thing you bought, yeah? The mask to paint your eyes.
Which mask?
The one you bought, you spent $20 on.
I don't know where is it. like that.
Perfect.
Penasaran ini mukaku kayak apa.
Where's the brush?
Can use this one, you can use your...
This one's already dark.
It's okay.
This is like when I first met you, you're going to Makati, yeah? Close your eyes.
I never
Close your
make up
eyes.
like this. We not go to Makati in first meet.
You used to.
No, no.
No? Never? Never?
You make me like clown.
Are you going to do it properly?
How?
Are you going to do it properly?
Yeah.
Well, you keep moving every time I go to do it. You're trying to ruin it. Hold your lips firm. Firm. That's it. Come on, laugh.
I did.
You did not. You're doing this badly on purpose, yeah? Put some moisture on it.
In...
Well, not my problem. I only paid for them. I only paid. It's my only concern. I already paid $60 for this thing. Okay, perfect. You're done. Ready to go out. No.
Inilah hasilnya. Gak tahu kayak apa. Aku yakin ini kayak badut.
Okay, hang on. Don't look at it. No. Record.
I already.
No, you got to say, hey, look, now he's done it. Look.
Yeah, not make up me.
Nah, jadi ini pas udah diliatin ke kamera ya mukaku, aku marah lah soalnya jelek banget kayak badut kan, lihat aku cemberut kan. Tapi nggak apa-apa lah. Yang penting ini buat hiburan ya teman-teman, maafkan kalau saya cemberut karena melihat mukaku seperti badut. Oke, terima kasih teman-teman yang udah melihat video saya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Salam sampurasun.